Hi, today we'll be discussing how to test and monitor your most important HubSpot workflows. As a system admin, the sales team is dependent on me to ensure that my backend setup is optimized for sales enablement. This can get tricky when you have a pipeline of interdependent systems and workflows to get your leads where they're supposed to go. Generally, this requires a complex testing plan involving spreadsheets, reports, and a bunch of dummy data that can clog your system and impact reporting. It's tedious and time-consuming, and something as simple as a misstep or incorrect trigger can impact the accuracy of your team's reporting, user experience, and revenue generation. This is where testing and monitoring your stack becomes so important. Any changes or additions to your stack structure can have an immediate impact on your current environment, and you may not catch it. In the past, you would use complex spreadsheets for each use case and test your current processes manually. You have to submit a test lead and then track each step as processed and sent to sales. Here I am checking to see if leads that come through our free trial form with a title of CEO, president, or vice president are being fast-tracked to sales. So I create a lead with these values and run them through my form. Then I check that each lead was routed correctly based on the outlined scenario. This is just one lead flow test to ensure that nothing in my routing is broken. Generally, depending on time, I run these tests monthly. That means if something breaks, there's a 3 to 4 week gap where leads may be lost. So to avoid the pitfalls of not monitoring on a daily basis, we have developed Automatest, the first software that tests and monitors your software connections, syncs, data flows, and lead routing. So instead of spreadsheets, reports, and constant testing, I can set up my scenarios and have them run on a daily basis. You simply plug in your stack and watch the magic happen. Here, I can create a HubSpot form to contact test, where I can automatically submit a lead on my free trial form and test the end results. I paste my URL into the test, auto-populate my values with tokens, and use the value I want to test against. Here I am testing that when a lead is submitted with a CEO title, that is routing to HubSpot and being stamped with the sales owner value of inside sales. Once my test is built, all I have to do is click Save and Run. You can see that it navigates to the form, fills out the field, submits the form, then validates that the lead and expected values are stamped in the system. The tool then deletes your test data to keep your system clean and reporting accurate. You can see I tested my trial form with the same conditions. This test will run every day, and if something or someone breaks my workflows and/or sync, I will know within 24 hours and can handle the hiccup before it causes issues downstream with sales. When something does break, I will be alerted real time with an email that looks like this. This tool allows you to test, monitor, and keep living documentation of your stack environment. This tool is a must for every hardcore marketer looking to stop the gaps in their system stack and ensure their systems are operating to spec.